How can you make money on YouTube if you don't produce videos? I'm talking about $1 to $500 a day without benefits. So how can you accomplish what I do, without having to create any videos? In this video, I'm going to go through 6 various methods you may use to earn money on YouTube without having to create any videos. Just to let you know, if you is new to my channel, I teach people how to make money online. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now here's a question for you guys. Have you ever seen a YouTube video where the person in it didn't even show their face? More likely, the answer to that question is probably yes. But I bet you didn't know that these types of videos can actually make a giant heap of money. Most of these channels aren't even original in the sense. So basically, these channels go out there and grab videos from YouTube, re-upload them on their own channel, and then generate money from those videos by placing ads on them. Is this legal? The answer is yes, if it fits under something called fair use. To back my claim, I have an example channel that I'm going to share with you that does countdown videos and has over 815 million views on it. That's $1.6 million just from advertisements alone at a $2 CPM, which is pretty conservative. That's great, but how much money does this channel make per month? According to Social Blade, they make between $1,000 and $30,000 per month by literally just grabbing videos, putting them together, narrating on top of them, and not having to create any of the content themselves. Which is what's so incredible about this method. That is going out there and making money on YouTube without having to make any videos. I'll go over 6 distinct methods on how to achieve this, but first, here's a general summary of how it works. The fundamental idea is that you go to YouTube, grab videos, and then publish them to your channel. And then you monetize those videos and make money from them, and that's how you make money from YouTube, but you never have to make any videos. So step 1 is to create your channel. Chances are you already have a YouTube account, if you're watching this video. Making a channel is super simple and you can make as many channels as you want. You don't need 100 different Gmail accounts on 100 different passwords. You literally only need one Gmail account and you can make as many channels as you want. And at this point, you're probably wondering, how do I know which videos I should be making? Well, that takes me to step 2, which is selecting a niche. Top 10 niches are make money online: technology, meditation, psychology, terrifying films, luxury, finance, investing, crypto, health and fitness. These are all niches that perform very well and you can find huge number of YouTube channels in these niches. So once you choose a niche and create your channel, make sure to include a logo and channel art to ensure that it looks professional and like a real brand. This is to ensure that your channel looks as official as possible. Step 3 is getting monetized. So you're probably wondering right now, how do I actually go out and start making money doing this? Well, you can get monetized directly on YouTube and put ads on your videos by joining something called the YouTube Partner Program, and YouTube will put ads on your videos and you'll get a certain percentage of that ad revenue. 2 things you need to get monetized are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of video. Step 4 is getting content. You're probably wondering where I can get content to use in my videos. I'm going to go over 2 different places where you can get content to use in your videos. The first is directly on YouTube itself. To do this, simply go to YouTube and search in your niche. For example, if you wanted to make top 10 videos, search in top 10 and then sort by the most viewed videos in the past month. The second place to find content for your videos is a Pexel website that offers free stock footage. There are a lot of YouTube channels out there, like Brainy Dose, which essentially just produces psychology videos with a voiceover on top of free stock footage. At this point, you're probably wondering, where can I find content for my videos? Well, this will show you new videos that are actually getting views. You can then go and use their videos, but make sure that it's transformative and that it's fair use. And if you actually want to make more money on YouTube and you don't want to wait to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time and you don't want to wait to get monetized, you can actually make a lot more money on YouTube by putting affiliate links in the description of your YouTube videos. Depending on the niche in the videos that you're producing, you can put affiliate links to products that are related to the video. Step 5 is optimizing your videos. You're probably wondering, how do I optimize my videos? And the way you do this is by having an optimized title, description, tags, thumbnail and subtitles on your videos. Make sure that it's something that people would actually search for, so when you're coming up with titles, ask yourself, what I actually searched for this title on YouTube. For the description, make sure to use a lot of sentences with tags and keywords that will be searched for on YouTube, and this will ensure that your video appears in search results and in suggestive video feeds of related videos. So, once you've done everything correctly, you should be monetized, and the best way to make the most money from YouTube is to create videos that are more than 10 minutes long. This way, you can actually add mid-roll ads on your videos and put multiple ads throughout your videos, and the best way to do this is to put an ad at the beginning of the video, the end of the video, and then every 2 minutes throughout the video. For example, if you have a 10-minute video clip, place an ad at 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, and then one at both the beginning and finish of the video clip. I actually wanted to tell you my top 6 tips for doing this right, and before we get started, please press the like button if you haven't already in appreciation to this content. When you want to edit your videos and make sure that they're fair use so that you don't get banned or copyright straight, and if you don't want to do voiceover on top of your own videos, just go to Fiverr, pay someone $5 to do it for you. Very simple, and if you're doing it yourself, I recommend just using your smartphone, just using the audio recorder on your smartphone. So if you want some free software, use an editor called OpenShot, which is completely free for both Mac and PC, and I'll leave a link down below where you can get that. OpenShot works great for this, and if you don't know how to use it, don't worry, there's a ton of completely free YouTube videos and tutorials that'll teach you exactly how to use OpenShot. That way you can edit your videos for completely free without it costing you a ton of money. Now, I propose that each channel upload at least one video every day. The more you post, the better. But usually the most doable schedule is about one video a day, and remember that these videos should only take around an hour or so to make, so this should be completely doable. And remember that there are channels out there making over $100,000 a month, so it's definitely worth it to put in the work and make one video a day. And you may be wondering how I can create thumbnails. I don't have Photoshop, and you don't actually need Photoshop to do this. You can use a completely free software called Paint on that if you're on Windows, or you can use an online-based software called Canva, which is available for both Mac and PC. And something you'll probably notice on thumbnails is that some of the top view videos have either a red arrow or a circle in them, so make sure to include something like that in your thumbnails to get the most attention. So, in order to make the most money from this, you should make sure that you're going in and looking at the analytics of all of your videos after uploading them. And the number one thing that you want to look at brings me to secret number 5. Which is increasing both your audience retention and watch time. So for a 10-minute video, you should aim for around a 60% average view duration, which means that on average for every single peep, you should aim for around a 60% average view duration. The next thing you want to look at is secret number 6, which is click-through rate. Click-through rate is the percentage of people who click to watch your video after seeing it in either search results, browse features, or the suggested video feed, and you want to aim for at least a 6% click-through rate. If you can attain a 60% average watch length on a 10-minute video and a 6% click-through rate, you're highly likely to become viral on YouTube. I'd want to know what you think. Are you going to attempt this? Comment down below. If you do this, be cautious not to give out your channels since people will imitate them. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you next time.